Hey guys, today I will show you how to fix my slime. So it's too hard. Because it's too hard. Let me bring it. Too sticky.
Okay, brother. So today he's gonna do his slime, but first I'm gonna bring his ingredients and I'm gonna leave. Right? So here's your bowl. Put it in there.
Look at the.
It's okay. Okay, let me see. Ooh, that's sticky.
I'm Spider-Man. Right, Mommy?
I'm not your mom.
It's your heart.
He calls me mom. Go follow us in Musically. It's Unicorn Shine 4 or Shiny Unicorn. Shiny Unicorn.
You're losing my doggy
Unicorn
face.
Shine. And then put 4, 3, 1.
Can I wash my hands?
Let me see, baby. Come. We will see you in a bit because my son is gonna go.
Slime bag. I don't have to share because my sister put slime. Okay, so I have a little container. So I will put a little bit slime and play with it. And here are the slime. And I will mix it first. And where'd that come from? So.
Oh yeah, baby, I forgot your slime ingredients.
Oh yeah, Mommy.
What?
Can you bring it? She's not my mommy, but should I call her mom? She's my sister.
Here. So he's gonna add your
Phone?